Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation, Workload Assessment Creation Tutorial. Log into the tool, you will land onto the listing page. Click plus to create the assessment. Give your assessment a name. Let's say you have Teradata as your source enterprise data warehouse for which you want to assess the Dml scripts and EDW execution logs. Upload the Dml scripts. The right side help panel highlights the field in yellow to assist you better. Now, upload the EDW execution logs. Select the target platform you want to move to. This provides additional options for more insights for target schema optimization recommendations. Let's go to recommendation settings. Go with default or configure your thresholds that baselines the recommendation of ideal migration candidates. Selecting My Saved preset. Your assessment is running. Its status changes to success within seconds. See the next tutorial which shows analysis and recommendations. Thanks for watching.